He's here! Underworld clown! He is here! Hello everyone, it's Sardonyx here, and today we have Underworld Clown. I have the fellas with me today. I have Matthew Tobin, say hello.
Hello.
I have Scarecrow.
Hello.
And Pit 9.
What is going on, fam?
Okay, so we're gonna cut open the big clown man. So I will be back shortly. Okay, the box is cut and open. So let's open it up. Holy shit!
His head is gigantic.
What?
Again, I don't even think that's 30 seconds into the video.
Look, man, I say holy shit a lot. Okay, so here's like a look inside the box. We got some foams, some nice foam gamings.
Holy shit. First open the box.
Look, man, that is a holy shit moment. I'm just saying.
It is,
Ah! This thing is massive. Look at this. What? Oh, this is a massive head. The SVI, you did a very PogChamp job. Okay, we have a head. I need to like move some. Okay, let's just get this out. This rib cage is very large.
so dumb.
Yeah. We got big heavy bag of clothes with the adapter for some reason.
Why is he adapted?
It's not in the bag, it was next to the bag, it just flew out. Adapter moment. Okay. Where's his instructions? Oh, there they are. I was like, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna try to get one of these hands out. Come on, yeah, I'm gonna have to take out the mech first. Which I can't do. Shit. Okay.
Try and lift up one side of try and take the cardboard and lift up the entire cardboard pieces on the side.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. There we go. I just need to hold this. Now we got both hands. These hands are quite large. Okay, I need to get this cardboard piece off. Okay, so, shit. I'm just gonna get the adapter box. Ow. Okay. Now we just need to get this mech out. Try to get it. Come on, mech. You can do it. Okay, how? I think I'm gonna have to do something else. I'm gonna take this. Bruh, I'm gonna pause and get all this out. I can't. Alrighty, gamers. I got the mech out and stuff, so here in the base. Like the always, I will come back after I finish the first step and whatnot, so yeah, bye, I guess. Guys, we're back, and I have the first step completed. And he's pretty darn tall so far. Alright, so I'll be back. Gamers and gamerettes, we have the arm done. I'm gonna come back after I get this other arm done, which will probably take another 30 freaking minutes. Okay, bye. Alright, gamers, we have both arms done, and the only steps we have left are the chest and the head, and... Oh, shoot. Well, I kicked his hand, but... And then he will be complete. He takes up like half of this room, so he's very large. I will be back shortly. Alright, gamers, so I have the head on and the hood. All I have to do is put his ribcage thingamabobber on, and we can demo him. So yes, I will be right back. Alright, here's Underworld Clown. I'm gonna fix him up a little bit, and then I'm gonna plug him in, and we're gonna see if he works correctly. So I'll be right back. I have muted the Discord chat to do this demo, but he's working pretty aight. But he's awesome. I do really like his look a lot. But let's go ahead and get into a demo. I think. Wait, let me ask you. Matthew, how many phrases does Underworld Clown have? Never mind, nobody's here. Shit. Okay.
The sulphurous stench in the caverns down below do not equal the sweet smell of fat souls ready for picking. And here is another meal now. Dinner is served.
Wow. That was amazing, bro.
More furnishings for my cave. Your soft little bodies will make a good bed for me to rest upon, and a handy snack if I get hungry. You best start running. I like a good chase to work up my appetite.
I think he has like 4 phrases, I don't know. Yeah, 4.
I'm coming up from my hellish pit, and when I get free, I'm coming for you first.
Well, now he's moving pretty damn fast. Turn.
The night air is cool up here above the ground, but I prefer the fiery warmth down below. I'll drag your cold soul down with me for a little company, and show you the warmth of my fiery pits.
Alright, so that was Underworld Clown. I know this unboxing was pretty short because his steps were pretty big. But, yeah, he's awesome. Definitely a lot bigger than I expected. I'll probably put, like, a picture of me next to him in editing just to show you guys some scale. He's probably about, like, 6'4" at the head, and he's, like, 7 or 8 feet wide. So he's really, really big. And this head, I did get a little crack in it from trying to grab it, but it's not noticeable, so it's not really anything. He's actually moving pretty well. So yeah, that's the Underworld Clown. I'm really glad I got him. Sardonyx, signing out.